Kiran Raj,
Yes, sir.
what is the principal value branch of sin inverse x?
So you are not presenting the screen, sir.
Okay. So difficult to arrange the mobile. What is the principal value branch? What is the principal value branch? What is the principal value branch? What is the principal branch? What is the principal branch? Okay, my dear Grayson, tell me.
Sir, minus pi by 2 to comma pi by 2, sir.
Very good. All of you listen carefully, my dear children. What is the principal value branch of sin x? Kiran Raj, can you tell me now?
So it's a minus pi by 2, comma pi by 2, sir.
Closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Remember
Yes,
this
sir.
point, my dear children. Preetika, can you tell me what is the principal value branch? Preetika,
Sir,
can you tell me what is the principal value branch in inverse x?
sir, minus pi by 2 by minus pi by 2, sir.
Close interval. You should tell this also clearly and completely. Closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Not only minus comma pi by 2. It is not a correct answer. Okay, my dear children.
Okay, sir.
Closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. This is called principal value branch sin inverse x. Okay. Okay, my children.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Similarly, we have to learn principal value branches of remaining
Sir, you're not
5.
sharing your screen, sir.
Huh?
Sir, you're not sharing your screen.
Now it is okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So similarly, we have to remember, we have to find the principal value branches of remaining trigonometric functions, inverse trigonometric functions. And moreover, you have to remember this point also. Sin inverse x this is only inverse trigonometric function. Don't confuse here. Sin inverse x is not equal to sin x whole inverse. This is only reciprocal. At the time of inverse trigonometric inverse functions, I told you f inverse is not equal to 1 by f. Do you remember that point, my dear children? F inverse is not equal to 1 by f. Similarly here also, sin inverse x is not equal to 1 by sin x. Sin inverse x is not equal to sin x whole inverse. This also you should remember that point. Similarly, now come to cos inverse x. Now we are going to discuss principal value branch of cos inverse x. Here also, if you divide, if you cut the real numbers, set of real numbers, if you divide this number line into 0 to pi, pi to 2 pi, 2 pi to 3 pi, like this. If you divide the entire real numbers into different intervals, these are all called branches of cos inverse x. In all these cases, cos inverse x is bijective. Cos x is also bijective. Because if you take this interval 0 to pi, same as in the case of sin inverse x, sin x, if you take domain 0 to pi and its range is -1, 1, close interval -1, 1. We know only bijective functions are invertible. That is, we are restricting the set of real numbers into closed interval 0, pi, interval -3 pi, -2 pi, closed interval -2 pi, pi, closed interval -pi, 0. In all these intervals, cos x is a bijective. So it is a bijective in these intervals, we can find its inverse. Understood this point, my children? Same as in the case of sin x, so we are dividing the entire real numbers into different intervals. These intervals are said to be branches cos inverse x. But especially 0, pi, close interval 0, pi. This interval is said to be principal value branch. Especially this close interval 0, pi said to be principal value branch of cos inverse x, and the remaining close are said to be only branches of cos inverse x. So you have to remember especially this line, close interval 0 comma pi, close interval 0 comma pi is said to be principal value branch of cos inverse x. Okay, my dear children, all of you remember this line, closed interval 0 comma pi is said to be principal value branch of cos inverse x. The remaining closed intervals in which cos x is bijective, they are only said to be branches of cos inverse x. Once all of you read this line, first line, one by one, Grayson, read this first line.
Sir, audit where
Grayson,
sir closed interval 0
read this first line.
yes sir, closed interval 0 comma pi is said to be principal value branch of cos inverse of 1.
Cos inverse x, not cos inverse of 1, cos inverse
Okay,
x.
sir. Cos inverse of x. The
That's
remaining.
all, that's all. That is enough. That is enough.
Okay, sir.
No need, no need. Only this line, this sentence is enough. This sentence is enough for you. Okay.
Okay,
Pritika, read this sentence.
Yes, sir. Closed interval 0 comma pi is said to be principal value branch of cos inverse x.
That's all. That's all. Thank you, my dear Pritika. Kiran Raj, read this sentence.
Yes, sir.
Kiran Raj, read this
Close
sentence.
Yes, sir. A closed interval of 0 comma pi is said to be a principal value branch of cos inverse x.
Next, Kevin Paul, read this sentence.
Closed interval 0 comma pi is said to be the principal value branch of cos inverse x.
Jerome Jasli Raj, please read this sentence. Jerome Jasli.
0 comma pi is said to be a principal value branch of cos inverse x. The remaining closed intervals in which cos x is bijective
No.
cos.
Jerome just stop. Jerome Jasli Raj. You read the mistake. Have you found what is the mistake you have done in reading? You have done mistake in reading this
Closed
sentence.
interval, sir.
That is the main point. No need. Don't read 0 comma pi. You should read.
Closed interval 0
You should
comma pi
read these.
is said to be principal value branch of cos inverse x.
Very good, Jerome Jasli Raj. Thank you. Krupal, read this sentence. Krupal.
Yes, sir.
Krupal. Read this
Sir.
sentence.
Sir, 0 comma t is said to be principal value of branch of cos x. The remaining closed interval.
Stop. Krupal, stop it. Till now, I have read 2 times. Grayson read the sentence. Preetika read the sentence. Kiran Raj also read the sentence. Kevin Paul and Jerome Jasli Raj also read the same sentence. But you are not paying attention here. How they are reading. How I am reading the sentence. You are not paying attention here. That is why you are reading mistake. Once listen carefully. Sten Jansen, now read this sentence. Krupal, pay attention here.
Closed interval 0 comma pi is said to be the principal value branch of cos inverse x.
Okay, my dear Sten Jansen. Joseph, read this line. Read this sentence.
The closed interval of 0 comma pi is said to be a principal value branch of inverse cos x. So,
Cos inverse x, not inverse cos x. Cos inverse x. Cos. Read this -1 as inverse. Cos inverse x. Okay.
okay.
Read this
Okay.
-1 as inverse cos inverse x. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Blessina, you read this sentence. Blessina.
Closed interval 0, comma pi is said to be principal value branch of cos inverse x.
Very good. My dear Krupal, can you read this sentence correctly?
Yes, sir. Closed interval 0, comma pi is said to be principal value branch of cos inverse x.
Yes. This is also called arc cos x. Okay. Cos inverse x. Once read this line, I will conclude this class one by one. Read it. This symbol is read as cos inverse x or arc cos. One by one, Grayson, read it fast.
Sir, it is read as cos inverse x or arc cos x, sir.
Okay, thank you, Grayson. Read this line. Read this sentence. Pritika.
It is read as cos inverse x or arc cos x.
Very good, Pritika. Kiran Raj, read this
Yes,
sentence fast.
It is read as cos inverse x or arc cos x.
Very good, Kiran Raj. Kevin Paul, read it.
It is
Read it
read
fast.
as cos inverse x or r cos x.
Jerome Jasliraj, read it.
It is read as cos inverse x or r cos x.
Very good. Jerome Jasliraj. Krupal, it's your turn. Read this
It is
sentence.
read as cos inverse x or arc cos x.
Very good, Krupal. Stans Jensen.
It
Stans
is read as
Jensen.
cos inverse x or arc cos x.
Joseph.
Sir, okay, sir. It is read as cos inverse x or r cos x.
Last and final, Blessina.
Sir, it is read as cos inverse x or arc cos x.
Okay, my dear children, what are the points we have discussed in this class? Remember these points well. Okay, my dear children.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And write. Well, thank you. Read these classwork notes and write the classwork notes well. Okay, and submit your classwork notes.
Yes,
My dear
sir.
children, can I take the class? Can I take extra class today or tomorrow after school class is over? After 4:30.
Sir, today we
At
have
5
no
o'clock?
class also, sir.
So can you take tomorrow, sir?
At what time? At what time? Tomorrow?
Sir,
Okay, tomorrow, okay. At 5 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Blessina told yes. Blessina said okay. What about others? Can I take extra class tomorrow at 5 o'clock?
Okay, sir.
Please be ready. Let us complete it fast by taking extra classes. Okay, my children.
Okay, sir.
okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, I will post this class. Joseph, you also share that link. Joseph,
Okay, sir, it will be shared to you, sir.
are you recording this? Please share that link. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you can
Thank
leave
you,
the
sir.
meeting, my children. Now the time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.